Alright guys, so we are heading to Lowe's, our favorite place. Get out of my face. Again, there's a bug in my face.
I was like, I'm not in your face, babe.
Alright guys, we are heading to Lowe's. Again, our favorite place, not really. We're getting a little bit more plumbing stuff. What else are we getting, babe?
A door frame. Door frame, because we moved our doors so that people don't walk through our bedroom. That's a little awkward.
That is really awkward, people walking into your bedroom to get to your living room. It's not what we want. So we're moving our door. So we had to get an outdoor bed frame and the pieces that go on the outside of it. And then also we're getting some more plumbing stuff. So we'll see you at Lowe's. So we're here trying to get a door. And of course at Lowe's you're gonna see doors like never before. So yeah, let's ask for help. So we got everything.
I think so.
Now we're heading to
Plumbing.
Alright, let's go. And I'm not even filming stuff. It's been one of those days.
Yeah.
It's my birthday and I'm tired.
No filter.
No filter. Didn't sleep last
Trying to
night.
have me carry trees when I'm allergic.
Trying to have my wife carry trees. As I'm carrying the trees, I'm like, what am I saying? Marriage 101.
That's a lot of pipes.
2-inch coupling and a 2-inch 90.
Wow. That's all I can say is wow. We had to get a lot of stuff. I'm sitting in the back seat so that we can fit everything through my front seat. So, because the pipes and everything were so long. No sales pitch here, but if you're looking for a good car, the Mitsubishi Outlander is a phenomenal car. You should get it. Big, great gas mileage.
Third.
And we're back. So some good news is they have come so far on getting our new door put in. We got the door frames and everything set. Now I'm about to show it to you. Look at my wife standing in our new door. That's where it was previously. It's gonna get moved to right there. First wall up. Second one going up.
I'm ready for you. Okay.
Tiene que ponerle un 2x4.
That's my sister, guys.
Porque mire, allá metieron 35.